Press power button to turn on and turn off the air conditioner. Press light off button to turn off and turn on the display of indoor unit. To turn off the beep sound of the indoor unit, press light off button for 3 seconds. As you can observe, the beep is not audible. To turn on the beep sound again, press light off button for 3 seconds. Now, the beep sound is activated. Comfort Air allows you to set flap position either at top or bottom. Press the button once to switch position of the flap. Currently the flap position is at top. Pressing Comfort Air button once will switch the position to bottom. Press the following buttons to adjust the temperature of the air conditioner. The lowest temperature till 16 or 18 depending on model, and the highest till 30. Press fan speed button to adjust the fan speed of the indoor unit. There are 5 fan speed. In auto speed, fan speed will adjust automatically. In F1 the speed will be at the lowest, following F2, F3, F4, and F5 where F5 is the highest fan speed. Press mode button to switch between different cooling modes. There are 3 types of modes. First, cool mode. Currently the AC is in cool mode. The snowflake sign stands for cool mode. Second, monsoon mode. A water droplet icon with M inside stands for monsoon mode. Monsoon mode is beneficial during the monsoon season when the humidity is high. Third, fan mode. Fan icon stands for fan only mode. In fan mode, only the fan of the indoor unit will perform and the compressor will turn off. There are 2 types of swings: vertical swing and horizontal swing. Vertical swing is available in all models whereas horizontal swing is available in selected model. Vertical swing have 6 vane angles and auto swing. You can observe it's changing one by one from bottom to top following auto swing. Similarly, if your model have feature of horizontal swing, then you can adjust it as per your requirement. Press room temperature button to check the room temperature.